Second question, if x is, and this is important question, if x is a normal variate with the mean 30 and standard deviation 5, find first one, probability of 26 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 40. Second one, probability of x greater than or equal to 45. And third one, probability of x modulus of x minus 30 greater than 5. So now we have to find the probability of this, and we have given x follows normal, mean is 30 and standard deviation is 5. So mean 35. Then we know that if x follows normal 35, then z equal to x minus mu divided by sigma, that is x minus 30 divided by 5 follows normal 0, follows normal 0, 1. Okay, now I have to find this probability. Okay, so first I will find probability of 26 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 40, and this is equal to probability of, I will convert it into standard normal, 26 minus 30 divided by 5 less than or equal to x minus 30 divided by 5 less than or equal to 40 minus 30 divided by 5. Okay, now this is equal to probability of 26 minus 30 divided by 5, that is minus 0.8 minus 0.8 less than or equal to, and I will call this as z less than or equal to 40 minus 30 divided by 5. 40 minus 30 divided by 5 is 2. Now I want to find the probability by using normal table. So first I will draw what is normal table. So this is my normal table, and I want this minus 0.18 is negative side, so somewhere here minus 0.8, okay, and 2 is in positive. So I want to find the probability, that means this area. So in order to find the probability of this or this area, what I will do is, this is equal to P of z less than or equal to 2. That means I will find area, all this area probability, and then minus P of z less than or equal to minus 0.8. So then I will subtract this area. So if I subtract that area, I will get this area. So now from the table, P of z less than or equal to 2, that is this 0.9772. 0.9772 minus, now next is negative part, so that will be in the minus 0.81, 0.8 minus 0.8, that is this value, 0.2119, 0.2119. So the answer is 0.7653. So this is first question. Anybody have any doubt? So next we will do the second problem. So for the second case, we have to calculate P of x greater than or equal to 45. So this is same as P of x minus mu divided by, okay, minus mu is 30 divided by sigma 5, greater than or equal to 45 minus 30 divided by 5. Okay, so we have to first convert it into standard normal. So this is P of z greater than or equal to 45 minus 30 divided by 5, that is 3. So now I am taking the table, standard normal table, and I want to find the area. This is 3. Then if I want to find the area, this area, we know that this is equal to, total area is 1. So this is equal to 1 minus P of Z less than or equal to 3. So that is equal to, we will find 1 minus this area. This area. 1 minus this area. So what is that area? This area is actually P of Z less than or equal to 3. So that is P of Z less than or equal to 3, which is 1 minus, and 3 from the table, we will get the value. This is from here, we will get the value of 3. 3 is 0 0.9987. 0 0.9987. 0 0.9987. So that value is 0 0.0013. Value is 0 0.0013. So now last problem, third problem. Find probability of mod minus 30 greater than 5. Okay, so here there is some confusion. So what you meant by this mod x minus 30, mod x minus 30 greater than 5 means, this is actually, it has a meaning that x minus 30 greater than 5, then this satisfies, or x minus 30 less than minus 5. If you take modulus, then x minus 30 less than minus 5, then modulus of x minus 30 greater than 5. Okay. So there are two possibilities. So we can write this as probability of mod x minus 30 greater than 5. This can be written as probability of x minus 30 greater than 5, or x minus 30 less than minus 5. So that is equal to, anybody have any question? So this can be written as x minus 30 greater than 5, or, so this is plus p of x minus 30 less than minus 5. Now we will convert it into standard normal table. So this is equal to p of, already 30 is there. So I am dividing it with the 5. Greater than 5 by 5 plus p of x minus 30 divided by 5 less than minus 5 by 5. So this is equal to p of z greater than 1 plus p of z less than minus 1. Now I will get p of z. Okay, this is my table, and if I want to calculate this, p of z greater than, this is 1, greater than 1 is this area. So in order to get that area, I just put p of z less than 1 minus p of z less than 1. So 1 minus p of z less than, plus here I already need p of z less than minus 1. So this is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus p of z less than 1, 0.8413, 0.8413 plus p of z 0.1587, 0.1587. So this is equal to, so that this value is 1 minus, this we can calculate 1 minus 0.8413 plus 0.1587. Okay, the answer is 0.317. Okay.